asked him point blank, and I said, "Hey, Mike, come into my office. I need to talk to you." So he comes in, and this is the next day, and he's actually now got a couple like stores where he's picking. I'm like, man, is he on like heroin? And so I asked him point blank. I'm like, "Hey, bro, are you on drugs?" And he's like, "Yeah, man, I'm on drugs."
Just straight up.
Yeah, it's just straight up. And I said, what are you on? And he's like, "I'm on a few things, but mostly heroin." And I'm like, okay. So when you piped the store the other day, were you on drugs the whole time? And he's like, "Oh yeah." He's like, "I was tweaking big time." And I said, "Okay, well, I gotta fire you. Like, like this is your last day of work." Now I fire him and I go back to the job site because now I'm thinking, shoot, man, we gotta redo all this. It's gonna set us back a week. I go back to the job site. The piping is flawless. The piping is perfect.